last week with one Zulu's program from one community. It started there. They could not ignite the way they wanted to ignite between Hindu and Muslim. Then it came down to last week, I think. One person, former RSS member, claims to uttering some nonsense things about a person, which is their own BJP people are claiming that it is a very age-old issue which is going on and there is nothing wrong in that. But I am happy that Goenkars have shown that person the place which is to be shown. It is not a community or committee issue. It is all about a person who is a former RSS member or chief, you can say, Mr. Velengarji. One person speaks something about a certain community, about the saints of a certain community, and it ignites the whole Goa. But my question here is, when the Congress party is with the common people fighting on the streets, night at 10 o'clock, night at 1 o'clock, the incident happened at 1. I think 1st of October the incident happened, and then when all the Congress warriors were on the street, the 4th of October, the police has bothered to file an FIR after pressurized from the Congress committee as well as the common man. The whole common people had to go to the Margao police station. Why was the CM on this issue sleeping for 3-4 days is the question which I would like to bring in front of you all. Why did the police department did not consider the Supreme Court judgment and under section 153A, 153B as well as 505, 295A take a suo motu case against the person, and then why didn't they arrest it? Is it to say that the government, the BJP government, Mr. Pramod Sawant's government, is hand in glove with the Velengar person and making him a scapegoat to ignite issues, to give statements which are not even necessary at this time, and then again help him in absconding from the place, and then again showing that we are catching him just because the common man is agitated against the CM. So the whole issue, I think, here seems to be more of a diversion politics from the main issue, which is the common man's issue, which is the Congress party has been adamant on taking in the assembly, the parliament, as well as on the